How'd you get down there, brother? You slid really well from one crevice. There's your hat, and there's your route. Boom, boom. I think you were trying to slide down like that. You're gonna get a limb through your gut, dude. You gotta walk through the weeds over here. You all right?
Yeah, it just hurt.
I'll get your hat. Oh, it's so slick, dude. Can you get up? Did you get a limb through you? No? You could have died right there, brother.
Yeah.
You could have had a limb through you. A limb, right? How you keep that horn in your hand? Hey, you got to go up this way, brother. You cannot go up them rocks.
Down with the woods, but they've been bad for you.
You need to go up over there. You need to go up over there. Through the woods and the dirt.
Check this shit out. Film me, will you?
Yeah, I'll film you, Daniel. You ought to take your shoes off, man. You'd do a lot better barefooted. You're getting ready to fall again. I'm not kidding. You really are. I'm not kidding.
Some people get hurt.
It's slick.